Myself, Hemanth Reddy. My topic is applets, and let's start the contents. First, introduction of applets and applets basics and types of applets and life cycle of Java applets and last applications of applets. Let's see one by one. First, let's go for introduction. Applets are Java programs that can be embedded in HTML documents. To run an applet, you must create a HTML file which references the applet. And applet ready to program also will run an applet. When browser loads web page containing applet, downloads into web browsers and it begins the execution. It can be tested using applet viewer program. And next, Java applet basics. In applet is a Java program that operates in a web browser. An applet can be a completely efficient Java program because it has the entire Java API at its convenience. There are some important variations between an applet and an individual Java program, such as in applet is a Java class that extends the java.applet class. A main technique is not invoked on an applet, and an applet class will not determine main. And last, applets are designed to be included within an HTML web page. Next, types of applets. There are two types of applets, applet and JApplet. The first type is created is based on the applet class of java.applet package. This applet use the abstract window toolkit for designing the graphical user interface. And the second is the applets are based on the swing class applet, JApplet. The swing applets use the swing class to create graphical user interface. The JApplet inherits the properties from the applet, so all the features of the applets are available in the JApplets. And we can see that life cycle of Java applets. First, it begins with load applet, but it will burn, and next it will start, and next it will run, and it will stop, and next it will be destroyed, and next last will be end. And let's see the definitions of the life cycle of Java applets. First, there are five methods or applets in life cycle. Let's see one by one. First, init. The init method is the first method to run that initializes the applet. It can be invoked only once at the time of initialization. Web browser also creates the initializers object, that is the web browser after checking the security settings runs the init method within the applet. Next, start. The start method also contains the actual code of the applet and it starts the applet. It is invoked immediately after the init method is invoked. Every time the browser is loaded or refreshed, the start method is invoked. It is also invoked whenever the applet is maximized, restored, or moving from one tab to another in the browser. It is an inactive start until the init method is invoked. Next, stop. The stop method stops the execution of the applet. The stop method is invoked whenever the applet is stopped and minimized or moving from one tab to another in the browser. The stop method is invoked when we go back to the page. The start method is invoked again. Next, destroy. The destroy method destroys the applets after its work is done. It is invoked when the applet in window is closed or when the tab containing the web page is closed, and it also removes the applet object from memory and is executed only once. and we cannot start the applet once it is destroyed. Next, last, paint. The paint method belongs to the graphics class in Java. It is used to draw shapes like circles, squares, trapezium, etc. It in the applets. It is executed after the start method and when the browser or applet windows are resized. Sense of applets. Applications have the main method in applets. Next, a Java application does not require an external viewer program. This means that you can execute a Java application directly using the Java interpreter. Applications can access the local files, system and resources. And the last, Java application generally refers to an application that is designed standalone use in the applets. Thank you.